Hey guys, welcome back to another video, another vlog. So what I did on this day was I did a solo beach day. It was the first time that I've ever went to the beach alone, like a solo day, right? And it was so relaxing, it was calming, it was just worth it. I definitely recommend it. It's really a risk with how the place are run, like, you know, I understand that, but like it was so amazing. The scenery, like, if you don't know, I'm gonna know, say, like, yeah, anywhere tropical you can find me there. But yeah, the day went so great. I tried so hard not to sleep because I'm here alone, and you know how that go. Never dare go sleep just like that, and then my bag just, you know. But yeah, it was really worth it. I definitely recommend it. I did buy Chinese food and bring it to the beach and get the girl a sanitizer on, and can't wait for eat it because I did hungry. I just want to eat my food. So yeah, this is me showing you guys what I'm having. Curry rice with mala chicken and ravage. Yes, showing you guys the scenery again because it's so beautiful that I'm a foot on my nice crooks. And this are the girl like eat. Got food for eat. Food for always eat. And if you know me, I'm about this life. I love my food. I'm gonna play with my food. And yeah. So I'ma just like probably put like some background music right now. So yeah, continue watching the vlog. I hope you guys enjoy it. Hope you guys subscribe if you haven't. Yeah. What you do to me, between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do. That's why I spend my life with you. I won't please you in any way I can. I won't share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me to love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly, can't deny. I got a crush on you, that's true. I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is one in a million. Goes on and on and on. So guys, after the beach I got to go to Lucky Crabs. Excited, you know, more food. Food make me excited. I've been to Buzzers but not Lucky Crab. But anyways, this was cheesy fries, then some barbecue wings, big size too, you know, and then regular fries when I purchased with the wings. So the girl I eat again, I can see outside say the time get late. It was like probably after 6, 7 them time there. Somewhere around that time. So I eat some of my food. That me I don't know, me I eat my food. Juicy wings. Wings taste good. My day there. Girl, what else I do? I eat my fries now. Yeah, girl. Girl eat her fries. And then me I talk. I love chat, you see. I love talk all the time, but like, I love chat. So yeah, still I eat fries and so. And then after all of this, I went to PriceMart to renew my card. So yeah, that's what I basically did. Renew my card and got a slice of pizza. I never shown you that, I never eat the pizza the same night here either. Ruthie come in there, man, carry me. Be nice. Be nice. You let have Leandre. Me said, Diego, you got mother. The man said no. So when you come and start training, you ask if I go Spanish to what me say? Mother's go? Yeah. I come out here. I don't even want to stay long in the sun. You know what me there, so? I'm sorry, me I'll go be it so early. The sun have me a beard after. I normally beard after though, guys, but for Ruthie don't normally beard, so it's a different story. When me I wash off for me, so? People for beard. People for beard, but me not wash off for me, because I not think. So guys, I'm waiting on Jago to come so I can get to go to Spanish Town and get back home. Yeah. So last night. Hey guys, good afternoon. My friend is going to be doing a lot of things to my hair. So my hair just sat there in our salon. Period. See something. Jamaica. A long time when I get them myself I was share, you know. And my roots them feel clean, I like them open up now. I know but me just say my roots them feel like them open up now. I take in water. The girl will get a nice sleep on it. So. Pony. So guys, I'm over by the movie area. I go watch Little Mermaid. I'm just excited. I feel like a 6-year-old tonight. I'm not getting a vegetable, but I'm gonna work with it.
Pass. $2,000 was the.
Hey guys, good afternoon. Welcome to another day in the vlog. Today is going to be the last day of the vlog. I'm not going to do anything. I'm not going anywhere. I'm just going to end it right now. But first, Little Mermaid was definitely a 10 out of 10. Recommended. What I'm telling you, say, I go there, I just feel like say, yeah. I even forgot to say I want kids movie to all the movie nice. I'm gonna tell no lie with that. Highly recommended. Yeah. Another thing, I was going to end the vlog last night, but then when I come home, I just tired. I want to sleep, and that's exactly what I did. And then from morning, it's like after 2 now. From morning, I'm not even eat it. I just lay down and then I get up and I just do my little self-care and yeah. So anyways, this is the end of the vlog. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Bye guys.